And
Yeah.
yeah, like if you really mimic that winning channel that only had a couple videos and nothing is happening for you, first of all, review like your title and your thumbnail and understand if it's any different or if there's something better about the example channel compared to yours, maybe the topics they made and you picked. And then if really nothing works, there is no harm in, let's say you have this channel and it's not monetized anyway, right? It has 10 videos. You can just make a second channel and upload those same 10 videos on that channel and see if there's any difference. And then let's say the second channel blows up, it does blow up, then you can just delete the videos or unlist them for the first channel by the time you want to monetize it, because you only get reused content problems when your channel is actually monetized. So
Ah,
this is a test you can always do basically if you want to.
yeah. Yeah, I think the video itself has some extra effects than the one that I
Mm-hmm.
copied, let's say. But yeah, if nobody's clicking on it, nobody sees it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Exactly. Yeah.
it's not a problem in the first place. It's
Yeah.
probably like the thumbnail and title. But
Mm-hmm.
from what I could say is that the thumbnail is pretty much like the same.
Mm-hmm.
And now I changed the titles, but still not really picking up. But is it also based like if your SEO is like really different, like or does that not really matter that much as
Yeah.
your
Well, it
um
depends on the topic you're making videos about, right? If I think about the topic because I know which channel and videos you are talking about, I don't think those are very SEO related because I don't think people on YouTube are randomly searching for a topic like that, right? If you think about it.
yeah, yeah,
So it will probably be
yeah,
mostly browse and suggested views. And even like maybe this channel has the channel owner has like other channels in the same niche or in another niche, and they send traffic to that video, which makes it blow up. That's also a possibility, which you cannot know basically.
no, I just checked and refreshed the other page that I'm like sort of copying, and they are blowing up in like enormously. So I was like,
Mm-hmm.
what am I doing wrong? But I will
Yeah.
keep posting videos on my own channel, and then
Yeah.
yeah,
I would just
just
really
wait.
look for their topics, their thumbnails, their titles, and if their newer videos are always blowing up, maybe just look at the topics they are making and think about yourself like, okay, how can I mimic them? But not the exact same topic and video, but the same style, but just another subject for your video, maybe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was also thinking about that. So that should be the same, but then about a different topic. Then
Yeah, exactly.
yeah.
Did you have another question that I forgot about, or was that it?
Um, no, only for my second channel. Then keep posting on the same channel, and then after like maybe 5, 6, 7, 8 videos, then maybe create a new one and then post the same videos on there. Or do you
You
maybe
can do
suggest
it.
like
You can do it at the same time if you want to. Like, there's no harm in doing that, basically.
before you're monetized? It's no problem.
Yeah, before you apply for monetization is not a problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Sweet. That's right.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah.
Anything else?